How to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without cable. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. For a demo purpose, let's say on your iPhone you need to open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select Settings, scroll down, and tap on Chats. Scroll down. Now tap Transfer Chats. Now you will get access to this page where you need to follow the prompts, including scanning the QR code on your Android device to transfer your chat history wirelessly. Or you can also use the alternative method. You can come back to this page, tap on Chat Backup, and create a backup of your message to iCloud. And on your Android device, you can simply install WhatsApp and log in with the same phone number as your iPhone. During the setup process, WhatsApp will ask you if you want to restore your chat history. You can tap Restore to recover your chats from the backup. That's how you can easily transfer your WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without a cable. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.